Uno with Smartload 10. Affordable automation at its best. The patent-filed Smartload autoloading system with its twin-grip, twin-release technology is reliable, compact, safe and fast. It has an investment payback period of less than 1 year, which makes it very economical. First action of Smartload is twin grip, where the first gripper grips fresh job from in feed, and second gripper grips turn job in chuck. Second action of Smartload is twin release, where the first gripper releases fresh job loaded in chuck, and second gripper releases finished job in outfeed chute. Uno with Smartload 10. Affordable automation at its best. Marshall, transforming manufacturing smartly.